Yo, what's going on? How we doing, guys? How we doing? Literally just had another break-even trade on the open. Literally just been stopped out about 30 seconds ago. Very frustrating. Bad timing again. That I've got the got my setup as markets opening. It's fucking typical, isn't it? Typical, yeah, but don't want to be holding through the open. Right. News today. Got manufacturing index at 10 AM. Shouldn't be too market impacting, I wouldn't have thought. And that's pretty much it. We got Trump meeting the Philippine president at 11. But I don't know how, if he's doing a speech or anything like that, I wouldn't have thought so, but yeah, shouldn't be too impactful anyway. But yeah, I hope everyone is well. Bit of a boring morning, to be honest, really. Not been any setups for me. Other than this one that I've literally just taken. Take profit was 34575. Yeah, take profit was here. See if it plays out or not. Yeah, I just really didn't want to be holding it into the open. I gave it a few more minutes today. But yeah, we weren't getting any movement on it. Chopping around point of control. I'm up $15 on the day anyway. Right, should we get a poll sorted out for the bias on the session? Bias. Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are for this session. Let me have a quick think about what I'm thinking. I don't know, I feel probably bearish to be honest. What I'm leaning towards. We've got 2 minutes until the market opens. Yeah, I'm feeling like we could be bearish. Yesterday was almost a bit of a pointless day, wasn't it? We had that massive rally up, chop around, and then sell back off to the where we opened pretty much. So not the strongest of days yesterday. But it's Tuesday, so yeah, it could be choppy Tuesday. Quite often is on Tuesday, isn't it? Not much news going on, so yeah, probably chop. Probably chop. Just double check I haven't got any orders open. They're all good. Yeah, it's been a day where I've had a few orders set up. And either haven't been filled or yeah, we haven't come down far enough to my level, or frustrating morning to be honest. Still with the view of chopping until later in the week, then down. Yeah. Yeah, so I think you're probably right, Buckled, mate. I can see it being choppy. Short or choppy is my thoughts. Choppy Tuesday, yeah. You're probably right, Benson. Probably right. Alright, 5 seconds. So my take profit on this trade was 345.75. Right here, so that would have been take profit hit if I'd left it open. So yeah, 2 days in a row now I've had a break-even trade that could have been a winner, but I didn't want to hold through the open, so frustrating, but can't be helped, can it? Almost spilt my drink down with them. Fucking hell. Have a quick look at Nasdaq. I haven't looked at Nasdaq all day. Yeah, Nasdaq looking quite similar. Gold rallying up again. It's frustrating with trades on the open because I felt pretty confident in that it would probably play out, but you just can't risk it with the open, can you? All you need is a big spike of volume and you'll get a big wick either side. Definitely a 50-50 one, so frustrating fucking having to sit there and watch it play out, but part of it, innit? Gets below 6336, it could be a sell beginning, do you think? Yes, to be fair, you're probably right. Depending on the time of it, I wouldn't mind like a little quick long from a previous week point of control. But I'm not going to be wanting to enter anything in the next 20 minutes, so I can see it's hitting it fairly soon, so I probably won't take it. Yeah, that's 6334. We'll only be looking for a little one-to-one. Yeah, I think if we come down and start closing below this sort of level, we could definitely rotate down towards previous week value low, which is down 293. Oh, fucking absolutely knackered today. Woke up about 1 AM, couldn't go back to sleep. And was up at 3:30 for work. Now my eyes feel like they're going to fall out my head. Oh. Feels like it's been pretty slow for me so far this week. I know it's only Tuesday. But yeah, just has been nothing going on really for me in the London session either. I feel like I've been patient though, which is good. Waiting for something to come to me rather than trying to force something. Definitely an improvement on how I used to be. Another $15 day, yeah, another break-even day, mate. Obviously, yeah, the $15 is because it's one tick in profit. I try and put my break-evens one tick in front if I can. And yeah, with one tick with 2 contracts, $25, but yeah, $10 in commissions. And again, it was the right trade, but I couldn't let it run into the open. Just bad timing again. Been sat here all morning waiting for a setup, and the time that I get a setup is half an hour before the open. And I held it longer this time. Held it longer. Moved it. What time was it? I'll be able to see on here, won't I? Oh, I don't know why the times on here are weird. It's all at the same time, apparently. It was about 22 minutes past, I think. So it had about 8 minutes until the open. We got a nice push down, so I just thought, fuck it, this is the opportunity to move to break even. Hoping it would keep going, yeah. Wasn't far. Six ticks from take profit. Frustratingly. Promise I won't put you when it flushes. Taco, good morning, mate. How you doing? The targeting on the oven now. Oh yeah, he definitely would. Targeting is a bit of a pro, isn't he? Calm day yesterday, ended slightly down due to trade and drawdown on the funders, but I'm a little below the start of the account. Missed the first win of the day. Got out of the win because of trading yet. Yeah, you've got to trail hard, haven't you, on the pro accounts. It's frustrating, but you've got to play it safe. The only thing it should really do is take longer. Yeah, I think if you're getting into like a halfway, 3/4 of the way to your take profit, you should be trading up aggressively, I think. Depends on your strategy. I've been umming and ahhing how I want to play it when I get onto the pro account doing this strategy, because I'm only looking for 1-to-1s. Win rate on the back testing is around like 70-80%. So I shouldn't really have any issues, just doing it exactly the same with like the trade and intraday drawdown. So I'm thinking, so I don't think I would have to trade up aggressively. I feel like I'd be better off leaving it where it is. So I think it does depend on your strategy. Our evals are up though, nice. Need 800 more, so maybe a couple more winning days yet. Yeah, you'll get there, mate. Yeah, definitely better to plan for a few days. And then if you do it in one day, happy days. But yeah, expect a few days at least, so it's not rushed. God, I'm so tired. Well, that value area has gone very shallow, very small. Eight-point value area. I'm gonna trade the open now, mate. No, I've been trading London, but the last 2 days has not been any setups for me. Yeah, my official hours at the minute. Start the London session. Well, give it half hour into it, and all the way through to the sort of second hour of the New York AM session. Yeah, I normally like to be calling it a day at 11 AM New York time. Times it there when New York starts. It starts 2:30 PM. So yeah, I like to be finished by about 4 PM. Go and have some dinner, chill out for the evening kind of thing. And then obviously London starts at 8 AM. So yeah, looking to sort of trade from about 8:30ish to 4 PM-ish. But doing the volume profile, I can just sort of mark out my levels, set alerts, and then sort of come back to it when my alert pings, so it's not like I'm sat here all day watching it. I find the future changes and rules, man. More changes to come, are they? I normally have another one coming. I think that's it for a minute. Yeah, I haven't been keeping up with my funded futures recently. It's the only one I don't really keep in the loop with too much. I don't keep in the loop with Apex, but I stay away from Apex. Are they good rule changes? Bad rule changes? Damn, 6:30 AM for me in LA. Jesus, man. I mean, it depends on your lifestyle, and I think I would prefer it here if it was early starts. Saying that, I mean, it works out great for me because I can go. I work part-time, so I'm up early at work, and then I'm back before the training day starts. Obviously, if it was start early, I wouldn't be able to do that. So I suppose it's starts at a good time, really. Yeah, 6:30 is difficult, isn't it? You've not long open your eyes. It's hard to be concentrating and ready for that time, and chances are you want to be up before then. Love it if it was the afternoon, yeah. To be fair, the afternoon has got its pitfalls. Like, I would prefer if we had New York sort of style volume at 8 AM my time, and then I could sort of maybe just trade the morning session only, sort of trade 8 AM to 12 PM to lunchtime, and then call it a day. But yeah, London session can be alright a decent amount of the time, but not always, and New York AM is normally pretty good. So I always like to hold out for New York AM if I can. But it's nice because on Friday last week I had a good London session. I think I was at 500 during the London session. Had a really good week as well. Was up I think 1.1k on the week. So I just called it a day there, which is nice. Rather than coming into the New York session, potentially giving away some of my profits. It was nice just to call it a day at lunchtime, my time, do you know what I mean? Alright, we're 15 minutes in, and we are very tight range bound. I think the only trade that I'm really liking the look of at the minute that I can sort of see playing out is a move down to previous week point of control, and yeah, I'll look to take a little one-to-one scalp long off of that. But I also don't want it quite yet. I want to really let it have another 10 minutes. Let it calm down a little bit. I'm happy for it to chop around for a bit. Yeah, it should work out quite a nice level with me in a sweep of the low of day. Tapping the previous week point of control and hopefully a quick reaction from there. And yeah, the only other levels I've really got that I like the look of are up here, and I don't know if we'll be up there anytime soon. So I found the futures no more 90-10 split. It's going to be now 80-20. Jesus, but evals will drop from 90-ish to $77. No activation fee if passed. Okay. So that's quite cheap then. If you're confident in doing it in 1 month, that's pretty cheap. I think, don't quote me on this because I'm doing quick maths off the top of my head. I think that's cheaper than TakeProfitTrader at the minute. If you're passing in 1 month, that is. Doesn't look like much for me again today. Yeah, it's gonna be one of them days. I don't think much will happen. I don't think much will happen. Thank you, beautiful flash of VWAP. Have a look. I don't even know if I've got VWAP up anymore. Oh, Nasdaq's looking very heavy. A very different picture on Nasdaq to ES, isn't there? Jesus. Didn't realise we were setting off that hard on Nasdaq. What's that? Just taken yesterday's low, is it? No, I think yesterday's low might be here. Almost there. Definitely taking today's low. Don't know if that's putting me off my Is that going to put me off my point of control trade? Yeah, I keep forgetting sometimes I'm looking at ES. I know most people trade NQ, don't they? So it's something I want to check in on just for you guys, but sometimes forget. I'm like, oh yeah, boring market, chopping around and fucking Nasdaq's absolutely melting. But you guys are thinking, what the fuck you on about? Right, yeah, just taken yesterday's low. Yes, yesterday's low, I believe. If I'm working out correctly on Nasdaq. Yeah, highest volume of the day as well is here, so could potentially be reversal time soon, but no sign of slowing down at the minute, is there? Right, we're at point of control now. Yeah, I'm not wanting to take this, I don't know. I don't usually look at Nasdaq for a bias, but I don't know, really. So yeah, pretty happy I didn't take this. Yeah, that'd have been me stopped out if I'd taken it. Because I would normally limit ordering on the point of control plays. So I've just had a limit order set up here and that would have just been blasted straight through. same, and I feel like I've got you to thank for that, because I feel like if I hadn't looked at Nasdaq, I would have probably have taken that. To be fair, it's not actually within my time frame. I normally like to wait half an hour, so I shouldn't have been taken anyway, but I feel like I'd have been up for it. Yeah, when I heard chop and read that, I was like, thank you, it's going down, yeah. Didn't even get the 1 minute wick entry now, man. It's fucking hard, isn't it? It is going off. Right, what have you got further down then? Sometimes even just one opposite trend candle is good enough, yeah. Until I buy it, yeah. If you're brave enough. Most welcome to say yes. Cheers, K man. Appreciate you, man. I was literally about to say, yeah, try not to paint you about the flush. Once again, I sold the highs. Stopped out of break even. Yesterday bought the lows. Today I sold the highs. Typical, innit? So Hand, how you doing, man? It's been a little while. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. How's the trading going? I think I've finally stumbled on something that's working a bit better for me. With a little help from one of my subscribers. Mentoring me with it. Well, I'm just stuck in a limit sell order on the retest of point of control. I don't know if it's normally a setup I take. Gonna sell after another bullish candle, but I don't know that one now. Too big. How's your trading going? Doing mostly break even in the month. Yes, it's not too bad, mate. Yeah, I found something that's working a bit better for me. I had a 1.1k week last week, which is the first week doing it on a challenge account. So yeah, I'm up to I was in drawdown on the challenge account, so I'm back to break even on it. Yeah, I had a good week last week, so yeah, I'm enjoying it, but it's the best week I've had probably this year. So yeah, it's not been going amazing up till now, but it seems to be any better. Was there any news? Tariff news? I don't actually know. I didn't actually look. Rachel Reeves, the UK Chancellor, was talking, but I can't see her moving the markets to that. Yeah, no news that I can see. Yo, how you doing, mate? How you doing? A bit late today, ain't ya? I hope you've got a good excuse. Maybe the market didn't like Scott Bessent's speech on power, yes. Because I mean, it was pretty much, especially on NASDAQ, could pretty much sell off the open, wasn't it? Yeah, NQ sold straight off. ES held up a little bit longer. And what was he saying? Basically saying that there's no need for him to step down, is that right? So guess I could have sold. Yeah, it doesn't matter, does it, man? Risky business selling when it's that volatile. So you didn't see reason for power to set down? Yes. Yeah, it could potentially be it. Maybe power continues, maybe power doesn't cut rates. What we were talking about yesterday, yeah. Which is, yeah, I mean, it was what I was saying yesterday when it doesn't seem like Powell's giving any indication that he's interested in cutting rates. So I can work out why we were pumping so much, because in reality, Trump's never going to fire him. Seems unlikely that that would happen. Yeah, obviously, clearly no interest in stepping down either. Basically, you need to tell us if you get stopped out just before the open, then we can make a killing. Yeah, alright, I'll put it in chat just before we start next time. Yeah, another what? 30-point move down on ES. Man, I had to climb back from a 1.5k on the opening. Got wrapped on a long. Jesus. Then switch to shorts. Fuck, man. Jesus. That's why you were late. That's fair enough then. I'll let you off. That's why I don't like holding into opens, because it is fucking... Doesn't matter how confident you are. I think it could still be 50-50, even if like you can even be right and you get a large wick on the open, stops out, and then it goes in your direction. Yeah, Leo, second down the trot, today I sold rather than bought. I sold at the highs. Stopped out break even just before, about 8 minutes before the open. Would have been a winner. What's up with this 15 bucks a day? Yeah. Typical, isn't it? It's because I'm moving, when I'm doing break even, I'm doing one tick in front. So that ends up being my profit on 2 contracts. So yeah, I currently got a limit order sitting at previous week point of control. And yeah, I've got the same setup on the funded accounts as well. It'll be the first trade I've taken on the funded accounts, doing the volume profile, if we get there. Playing anything right now? Playing what? The game? An instrument? A penis? I'm assuming you mean game. No, not at the minute, mate. I struggle to have the time. I started playing the Last of Us 2 again. You know. Yeah, I started playing The Last of Us 2 again. I'm probably about halfway through it, and it's been a few weeks since I picked it up. So yeah, I would like to finish that at least. To be fair, now I'm not working at the weekends, I might have a bit more time to play it, so. What about you? Playing with anything other than yourself? As soon as you play that, it's a very good game, very good game. Definitely recommend it. Oi, oi. Tons of indie games to be honest, yeah. Nothing wrong with a good old indie game, man. What are you on? Are you on PlayStation or Xbox? Or PC? Steam most likely, yeah. Yeah, I need to get more into PC gaming. PC gaming is definitely where it's at. Do you play with like a controller? You're a keyboard warrior. I remember back in the day when I was addicted to COD, Call of Duty 4. My Xbox got the red ring of death, and it was a couple of weeks that I wasn't gonna have my Xbox because I had to send it off to someone. I don't know who I sent it off to. I assume them. But because I was so addicted, I couldn't wait for it to come back, so I bought COD on the PC and was trying to fucking keyboard it, and man, it was well hard. This is the game you can play with either. Yeah, I think if I was to go like full on PC gaming, I'd have to get a control. I couldn't keyboard it. Couldn't keyboard it. Far beyond my capabilities. But it's quite funny that bearing in mind I'd have probably been about 13, 14, and I was quite happy to spend like 40 quid on a game that I was literally going to play for a couple of weeks because I was that addicted to it. Same dude used to play TF2 on the orange box a lot, and then the PC version of way better, so I tried it for a bit, but so much harder, yeah. What's TF2? I've never heard of that, I don't think. I'm not a PC gamer though, so. I really don't know if I'm liking the look of this trade or not. I think I am, but. Maybe spend loads on FIFA every goddamn year. I think I gave that up. What, the ultimate packs? The ultimate team, is that what it's called? The card fucking packs. Or you're on about just literally buying the game every year. Yeah, I think I used to have like the same one for maybe like three years before I'd think about upgrading to the next one, because it's not fucking worth it. Like every single year they would come out with one. It'd be like slightly better graphics, slightly better controls or something. It's stupid to spend money on, isn't it? Team Fortress, oh, okay. Asset-based multiplayer shooter, oh, okay. Obviously, Ultimate Team, same game every year, yeah. I was never really into FIFA that much though. I didn't mind it. I think it's because I wasn't very good at it, probably, so. Yeah, I think after sort of the first first ones with Ultimate Team on, maybe that one and the second one, I just felt like it was the same. FIFA's the biggest scam of all time, yeah. And they're not far behind COD. COD's essentially the same shit, just different maps, isn't it? I don't know, COD got really, really bad at one point. I remember back in my day, when it was Modern Warfare. World at War was good. Modern Warfare 2 at a push was alright. But then after that, it just started getting a bit much. Black Ops was alright, the first Black Ops, because I really like zombies. But then it just started getting really, really ridiculous, didn't it? Where you can fly around with jetpacks and slide across the floor fucking 4 meters and wall run and... Who the fuck can wall run? Do you know what I mean? Like... And I always found the kill streaks got a bit ridiculous as well. Like, you just find yourself, like, just the whole game just being fucked over by helicopters and stuff. They had it far better off when it was the OG, just UAV, fucking airstrike and helicopter. Even then, it got a bit too much sometimes. I can't play anything that will erase all my progress after 6 months, yeah. Me, Modern Warfare 2 I loved. Yes, it was alright. It was a good game. It just would never beat the OG Modern Warfare for me. That's what I started out on, and that was I spent fucking years playing that. And yeah, World at War was quite good as well. Last game Zombies was terrifying. Yeah, Zombies was fucking awesome, man. I used to be able to get up to like level 100s and shit like that by running around in circles. Or I'd find a glitch and literally sit in the same spot for 2 like physical days straight on solo, fucking just rinse and repeat and getting to level 250 and shit like that for fucking what, I don't know, but just because you could. Parkour guys wall run, yeah, but they don't fucking, their shoes don't stick to the wall. Modern Warfare 2 trash talk. And the kids screaming with nukes. Yeah, to be fair, the nukes was really cool. I enjoyed the nukes. It was just different, wasn't it? Maybe because of nostalgia, yeah. I mean, I've got the remastered version that I play on occasions. To be fair, I think my all-time favourite, like, shooter is probably Battlefield 1. Battlefield 1's quality. Obviously, just for, like, dicking around, like, multiplayer, like, COD is good, but, like, if you want, like, realistic, like, as realistic as you can get, Battlefield 1 is fucking the shit, man. Like, generally feels like you're in a war. Thing that I remember switching on the PlayStation 2 and playing God of War. Nothing like it yet. Yeah, back in the good old days when there was no problems. Just PlayStation. Hate man, I used to get so funny just to reply back with a bunch of X's to piss him off more. Yeah, the lobbies on COD was fucking insane. Just a load of squeaky voiced little boys fucking slagging each other's mums off. The squad of mics, and you had the tag groups, yeah, the old clan tags. And you'd occasionally see the YouTube famous ones in your lobby as well, and fucking fanboy like a little girl. There's a movement in Brazil called Vamp Techo. If you're a brave man, Google it. He basically just replied with a naked picture of a famous footballer in Brazil. Is there that many to choose from, is there? Yeah, I've just found one, Leo. What is there pictures of naked footballers for? The community sees something or enraged, they call for a RAM attacker and people flood the person reply with that picture. It's funny as fuck. The last one was Klopp. There's something about the World Cup, people flooded him. Oh, was it literally like one footballer? One picture of one footballer, that the same picture that everyone sends. Okay, I get you. I just thought you meant there was just like loads of Brazilian footballers that were pictured naked at some point. And you just take your pick of whichever one you wanted to send at the time. Didn't know if it was just something that Brazilians did on a regular basis. Wikipedia page explaining. Very short picture on the page is often the picture that people use without the cover up of is Johnson. Yes, I just saw one with the cover up, luckily. Brazil is toxic on the internet. Made that last verse girl actress close her Instagram and Twitter. What, Brazil is solely responsible with, eh? Quality. Which one? What, the main character? Ellie or whatever her name is. Yes, no joke. Oh, quality. Bro, looking like we're pushing up. Towards my entry, potentially. And bars, but it's nice, really nice here. It's good that you like where you live, man. A lot of people don't. People are comparing her to a TV comedy guy here. God. The internet can be a horrible, horrible place, can't it? Horrible place. Big battle going on here with buyers and sellers. Which is making me feel a little bit better if I do get filled. I don't know if I even will though. Maybe they'll front run me. Nice room. We are in. This is a strategy, yes, and looking to take a little quick short off of a previous weak point of control. The only thing that I'm not loving about it is there was absolutely zero response on the way down, do you know what I mean? Put me off a little bit. And yeah, this is another reason I was put off as well. I feel like the support level is going to be here, not here. But I didn't want to put my entry up here and then miss it kind of thing. So we shall see. Looking like it's going to be a slop out, I think. Come on, $15. Yeah, see if I can get myself $30 up on the day. Explain a little more about how the strategy works. So yeah, basically just looking at volume profile levels. Main ones I look at previous day, value area high, value area low, and the point of control, and then the previous week ones as well. And yeah, this level here is previous week point of control. So this is the level where the highest volume was traded last week. And yeah, the idea is I look for a quick one-to-one off of it, basically. Fixed stop loss. Point of controls, I usually like to limit ordering. The value area highs and lows, I like to sort of wait and see if we're respecting it before I then market ordering. And yeah, I only look at the 5 minute because I get easily confused on the 1 minute. And the point of control plays have been my the one that I've had most success with so far. But yeah, the only thing I don't like about this is that we blasted through it. Like I was looking to take a long off this initially. Obviously, yeah, we blasted through it. So I'm now looking to take the recess of it, basically. Good close on that bar. We'll see. What will be the stop loss and take profit? 250 risk and 250 reward. Wow. I've gone for 1.1 just to try and incorporate fees and stuff, commissions. $630 with me with my indicator. Nice, Hugh, nice. Is that the one that you were talking to me about the other day? That you had your mate coding up for you? Again for 5 points. Yes, 5 points. The only time it changes if it's less volatile, like basically during London session, I'll do 2.5 points. Yeah, usually like it sort of works out most of the time. New York AM 5 points, London session 2.5 points. If the New York AM's looking quite slow, then I'll do 2.5 points. Yeah, the only sort of thing I wish I'd done with this one. Obviously, I was looking at this and thinking we're probably going to come up, push past this slightly at least, and tap this. So I wish I'd just put my entry just a few points, a point or so ahead, above. Sorry, would have got a bit more of a favourable entry. Obviously, take profit would then be a more achievable goal as well, and stop loss would be a bit further away as well. It's the only thing I sort of would change if I could obviously do it again. This mate is nice. Can't get it to run as a bot yet. It's working great as an entry indicator and trading view. Nice. Yeah, I mean, worst case scenario, it's still a great entry indicator, isn't it? It's not the end of the world. It'd be nice if you can get that set up as a bot. But as long as you're still able to make money from it, just means you got to sit there and manually do it. But Yeah, man, it gives perfect entries and stop loss placement. Take profit is down to a structure from the trader. That's where the issue with the bot comes in, is it's hard to code. Yeah, it's not really something you can code, is it? Especially if it's like dynamic and changes with the price action and stuff. Okay, if I mention my Instagram on here in case people want to follow along with my progress, understand completely. If not, that's fine, mate. Crack on. I don't know if you can actually send links in the chat. It's not something I've turned off, but I think it just automatically gets filtered out by YouTube. I don't know. Does Instagram have handles or anything, like a name that you can put in if the link doesn't work? I don't do Instagram, so I don't know. I'm a bit of an old man with Instagram. No one gives a shit, that's it. Yeah, nothing's coming through, Hugh. I think it's been blocked. I don't know how to, I don't think there's anything I can do about it. Feel free to post it in Discord if you want as well. There's not much going on there at the minute, but someone might see it. Please explain the points more. What are the points on this strategy? So basically, New York session, I'll use a 5-point stop and a 5-point take profit. This is on ES, by the way, not Nasdaq. And then on the London session, would normally do 2.5 points for stop and 2.5 points for take profit. Basically, it's just depending on how much we're moving, how sort of the sort of size stop loss you want. Yeah, sort of always fixed. And I'm trying to not move to break even or trail my stop or anything, just literally leaving it to play out. Obviously, hand, if you use ticks, it will be 10 ticks for the 2.5 points and then 20 ticks for the 5 points. Simple bit of trading, yeah, nice view, yeah. Yeah, people should hopefully be able to find it from that. Wife asking if you've already had the baby. No, due 29th of September. Very excited. So yeah, we've got about 10 weeks left. Yeah, very excited. Yeah, my missus started her maternity leave today. It was her last day at work today. So she's absolutely buzzing. Buzzing to finish work, not to be having a baby. Quick 1-point stop loss. Yeah, that'd be a quick trade, wouldn't it? Come on, Sella, step it up, step it up. So yeah, if I'd been a bit more sensible in my entry, sort of put it more up here off the bottom of this, these wicks up here, I probably would have been around take profit now, which would have been obviously more favourable. Oh, I'm so tired. I can't wait for my day off on Friday. Gonna no alarm it. But then when I say that, I always end up getting woken up by the cat or something normal time. He's a prick. Oh, there's probably going to be no stream tomorrow, by the way, guys. The wife's got a friend coming around. I think she's coming around about 12 o'clock, I think. And it's just a bit awkward, me streaming, because she doesn't know what I do. But she'll just hear me upstairs chatting shit, shouting at the microphone. And yeah, it feels a bit awkward, so I'll still trade, but yeah, I don't think I'll be live streaming if she's there. That is secret. Yeah, I don't know why. I mean, it's my now, so she better do what I want, but I don't know, just feel a bit awkward because, you know, she wouldn't really know what I'm doing. She'll probably just think I'm playing games or something, and yeah, it'd be a bit weird. Come on, come on. Get down there. Come on, get down there. Meanwhile, downstairs. What is Sam doing again? Who's he talking to? No shit on fences talk either, yeah. That's something, we have some weird conversations, don't we? And yeah, she'll think I'm a right creep. Yeah, come on, get down there, make me $200. The plus side, she won't come back over so you can trade in peace. Yeah, that's true. It'd freak her out well and truly. What I need is like a soundproof room, dunno. Oh, bars are coming back in strong. What was it? 1 tick? 2 ticks away? The thing I can't bear about trading is the situations that where you're literally like 1 or 2 ticks away and you're just sat there. You don't want to shave yourself off $50 unnecessarily, so you sort of sit there and wait for it and it fucking completely pulls back on you. Don't be a dick for a tick, yeah. But like St. Louis would say. I don't know, I do like the idea of it coming back for a point of control test, so I'm not giving up hope just yet. Point of control on the day is here. We pushed away from it. I feel like it's going to want to come back and have a little retest of it. Question is it going to stop me out before we do that? Might have a quick nap while I'm waiting for this. Quite a strong bar there. Could be a stop out. Frustratingly. It was one tick as well, I think. Yeah, one tick. The trouble is with it, I'll try not to move my stop, because I'll trail down aggressively and I'll put it like here. And I'm just literally shaving off like $50 off the trade. Even though it still goes and hits take profit. But obviously if I'm doing that every time, it means I'm taking a negative RR every trade. So I'm trying to not do it. It takes all my strength not to do it. For that resistance holds. Yeah, you never know. You never know. But yeah, frustrating though, because if I'd gone for the slightly better entry, put my entry more on the resistance here, I'd have been out by now, so that's a bit frustrating. But other than that, not much can be done as a... What I need is Nasdaq to look heavy, but Nasdaq's looking like it's pushing through the EMAs there. Think he hasn't touched VWAP yet, so you never know. Well, let's see, I haven't got a VWAP on her. Oh yeah, VWAP's not far, is it, on Nasdaq? Oh, we're back at break even. Take the 15. May as well, and I. At this rate, fucking 15 is going to be my average P&L. Daily P&L. You know what they say, $15 a day is better than no $15 a day. Yeah, I mean it would cover half my takeaway for that day. And a break-even day, yeah. No, I'm happy with whatever the outcome is, I'm happy. Yeah, what I should have done is got the little bit of the better entry. And then this wouldn't be an issue, so. Nice bullish wick on that close. That's a good Mackie today. You can't be, that goes against your channel. Oh yeah, sorry, I'll be miserable as sin about it. To be fair, the $15 is what? 10 quid? That barely covers a Big Mac these days, does it? I'm sure Big Macs are like 6 or 7 quid now. But I used to work at McDonald's and I used to get a discount, and obviously it was fucking 10 years ago as well. I used to be able to get like a large Big Mac meal for about £3.60. Crazy. Just feel like I know exactly what's going to happen today. It's going to be a stop out, run to take profit kind of day, innit? Here we go, here we go. Oh, some sellers have stepped in and they're going to hold it. I need to go ages ago, but I can't not see how the tens. Trouble is, mate, it could literally go for another half hour. This would be the this would be a story though, wouldn't it? If this ends up being a winner, 1 point from take profit, 2 points from stop loss, and then ends up being a winner, that'd be fucking quality. Well, if you take that sweet $15. Nah, I'm leaving it, man. I'm leaving it. Ooh, lots of sellers. And now lots of buyers. It's like I'll South Park with the Loch Ness Monster. Did about 350. Oh, I've never really done South Park. Surprisingly. It's probably right up my street. But yeah, no, I've not seen that one. I sort of get a good idea about what the time is from how much I need to pee. Once it gets to about 4 PM UK time, I'll really start to need a piss. After 1 cup of tea and a litre of fucking blackcurrant. We're watching for so long shorts. I'm in a short at the minute. Was 1 tick away from take profit, and then we've come all the way up, and we've gone two points from 2 ticks from stop loss. And yeah, we're just chopping about at the minute. But yes, obviously wanting a sell off. Back to point of control really on the day is what I'm looking for. Apparently you make better decisions if you need the toilet. Really? That can't be right, surely. Surely you make rush decisions. But maybe that's why it's better, because you're not overthinking it. We're definitely stalling, aren't we? I find the futures have changed their plans, by the way, now, have they? What, literally today? Trying to get a 50k eval for like $60. Man, that's decent, that is. Yeah, that's quite cool, man. Maybe I'll go with them next once I've eventually passed my TakeProfitTrader account. Can I have up to 5 accounts? Production has a sim funded payout cap of 100k before live. That's nice, that is. That is nice. No consistency across all accounts or they lost limit. Nice. What's the I've just seen that their the drawdown is end of day. Is it end of day on the funded accounts as well, is it? Honestly, for me, my funded future is simply the best by a mile now. Best support, quickest payouts, quicker than TakeProfitTrader. Nice. Yes, all end of day. That's decent. That is decent. That's value by a mile, and that's without the constant discount codes yet. Activation fees. Yeah, I think they've just cut them. Ash. Oh, we're looking heavy. Come on. Come on. Keep it going, sellers. Keep it going. We've got to sweep this low, surely. Maybe storytelling skills again. What, because of this trade? Going with TakeProfitTrader, my funded futures and top step. Yeah. Tradeify, I don't really like how they operate now. My funded futures is much better, and also the other day they had some major problems. Well, yeah, the next one I was gonna try was probably gonna be Tradeify. But yeah, the my funded future sounds like a good option now. Like I say, I've got to go. I hope you win, mate. Cheers, K, man. It could be a while yet. Could be a while. Yeah, cheers, mate. I'll post it in Discord anyway once it's eventually done. This is looking like a horrible 5-minute bar. For a decent defo, but I'm not sure how much now. When my funded futures defo better, in my opinion. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Like price wise, it's definitely better. Boys, I'm gonna have to go for a piss. I'm gonna have to go for a piss. I'll leave you hanging for a minute. Potentially the record for the world's longest piss. Oh, we're doing back and drawdown. Missing green from the wins. Oh, I wish. Nas profits. Oh, Nas looks like it could be breaking that EMA. Could be good for us. Trouble is, if we're coming out for one more leg up, that's it, I'm stopped out, ain't I? Yeah, not been loving this trade. Normally the point of control plays are very quick. I mean, this is nearly going on an hour. Watch it for long as well. I want to dump first, are you? Point of control. Yeah, I feel like we've got to have a little sweep of the some of these lows that we've made, haven't we? Surely. I was on from 120 on earlier. Was that nice? Great entry, man. Great fucking entry. I'm 700 to pass my 550k upset combo. That's nice. 700's a good day, man. Cracking day. Oh, you mean you need another 700 to pass? That makes more sense, doesn't it? Okay, yeah. That could be tomorrow, mate, couldn't it? This week at least, I would have thought. Got my fingers crossed for you. 550k, that'd be mad, wouldn't it? I think if we get a bit of a bearish close on this Nasdaq bar, we could potentially get the sell-off that I need. S&T showing NQ is stronger, yeah. Been saying that NQ had the bigger sell-off. Bars are looking very strong, man. Yeah, very frustrating trade, this one. Should have got a little bit of a better entry and I would have been out, wouldn't have even been a part of this. I've just noticed point of controls now flipped as well, which is I would say a good sign, but I just don't know if I trust that I won't get stopped out first. What's your strategy, mate? Trade volume profile is what I'm doing at the minute. I've only just started really doing it. Last week was the first proper week on the trading it live. I was doing some backtesting before then. So yeah, this trade is short in the previous week point of control. And yeah, before entering, I was sort of eyeing up this resistance here, thinking, oh, I should probably put my entry just a tick or two further up, because we're probably going to come and tap into this at least. Obviously, this is a previous week point of control. And if I'd done that, I'd have been out nice and quick, like I should have been, but it's been sat in it about an hour now, just under an hour. Was a tick away from take profit, and then 2 ticks away from stop loss. Bit of a roller coaster. And yeah, these plays normally play out pretty quick, within sort of 10-15 minutes normally. It's not ideal sitting through this. I do want to have some dinner at some point. Yeah, point of control was just flipped on the day, which we're struggling to push past. Got some lows to sweep, and we've got the other large bit of volume here. So I still feel alright about it, but it's just if I get stopped out before we make that move is what I'm concerned about. Yeah, last 2 days food I've yesterday I longed the lows but got stopped out of break even because we were just going into the open. Today I shorted the highs but got stopped out of break even because we were just going into the open. I don't like to hold through the open because it's a bit 50-50 really, isn't it? So yeah, shorted up here and yeah, break even trade there. So frustrating week to be honest so far. Oh no, Trump's talking about trade deal with the Philippines, so that'll probably fucking wipe the trade out. Still on the trade, nice. Losing the will to live, Leo. It's very rare these days I'm going to trade for an hour. Had to go out. Yeah, I mean, you've probably been out and done all your errands for the day in the same time that I'm still in this fucking trade. Frustratingly, just one tick away from take profit. Yeah, I don't love that Trump is on the mic as well. Pretty much, I think. You never know what's going to happen there, do you? Are you still here? I am, K-Man. Not for long though, potentially. Looking a little bit hectic. White House visit to the Fed HQ is planned for Thursday. What does that mean? Right, Nasdaq has officially tapped into VWAP, so you never know. Maybe we sell off from here. Which platforms to trade using in my fund the future do you recommend? TradingView or Tradeify? I don't know. I mean, I still pretty much use both. I like to execute on Tradeify, but I do a lot of like my levels and my chart and stuff on TradingView. Tradeify isn't great for charting, I don't think. Just don't feel like it's very clear. It's not very the interface isn't great. So yeah, I still use TradingView's charts, and then like bring my levels across on Tradeify, and yeah, still like to look at TradingView just for like bigger picture stuff. But the thing I don't like trading about on the reason I don't like trading on TradingView, sorry, is because I feel like it's just not quite as responsive as Tradeify. Oh fuck me! Like you feel like you see every tick on Tradeify. On a TradingView, it feels like it's a bit laggy. Do you know what I mean? A bit behind almost. Hey, these days, huge one directional push for the market does, yeah. Yeah, it's frustrating. But I can't bear being in trades this long. So I mean, to me, looking at the Nasdaq, it looks like it's teeing up for a sweep of these lows, I would have said. Little bull flag looking pattern, break above, usually sweeps the lows before pushing up. Come on, it's now or never. Yeah, sorry Ash, that's probably not the answer you're looking for. There was no decisive decisive this is what you should do there was a... But I mean, if I tell you what I do, then that sort of gives you an idea. You can't, if you're thinking about copy trading with other platform, other prop firms and stuff like that, I don't think you can do it through TradingView. I think you have to do it through Tradeify. So if that impacts you with your plans for the future, there's something that I want to do in the future is have a few different accounts from a few different prop firms. And yeah, you can only do that. You can only copy trade them through Tradeify. I don't think you can do it through TradingView. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think you can. When he pushes Nasdaq down. We've got to get it, surely we've got to get it. We broke through point of control down here. Never had a retest. We pushed up, point of control's now flipped, which we were respecting. We've had no sweep to the downside in fucking ages. The next obvious move surely is sweep of the lows, retap of the previous point of control. Next big area where there's volume. That's got to be the move, surely. That's a good point I didn't take into account yet. The thing is, if you set up initially with, I think you can switch. Once you set up, you can switch between them. I think I initially set this account up on TradingView, I think, and then just moved it over to TakeProfitTrader, and you can do the same. Like you can enter a trade on Tradeify, sorry. You can enter a trade on Tradeify, but then you can then move your stop loss and stuff on TradingView. So if you pick one, it's not a set in stone. You can flip between them. So you can start with one, see how you feel, try the other one, see how you feel, and then stick with whichever one you prefer. Oh, Trump on Powell, he's going to be out soon anyway. Just want some big red news on financial juice. You might get it in a minute. Yeah, Trump on Powell, he's going to be out soon anyway. But it depends how the market takes that. One way you could take it bullish, because then it means rates would be dropped quicker. In other ways you could take it bearish, because uncertainty, like, say what you want about Powell, at least he's consistent with what he's doing. So if he goes, yeah, it could be a sell-off. I'm sure I read or heard somewhere that if Powell was sacked, it'd be absolute carnage in the markets. Obviously, don't know how true that would be. We'll have to wait and see, but Trump on Powell resigning, he's got to be out in 8 months. Keeps rates too high. Oh, I don't like that Trump is on the mic. The thing is, when Trump's on the mic, you can be in a perfectly good valid trade, and all he's got to do is cough in the wrong direction, and it fucking completely flips against you, doesn't it? It's a good trade, just a volume problem yet. Yeah, I mean, I've got a 5-point stop and a 5-point take profit, and we haven't gone either side of that in fucking over an hour. 10-point range. Very boring. Trump on rates, we should be at 1%. 1%, that's insane. To be fair, it's probably why the market's gone into a bit of a choppy hour, because there's Trump's out and about, and he tends to do that when he's out and about. How has rates high? Probably for political reasons. Betting on Fed, they should stay in their lane. They chased me this morning, gonna stay patient, gonna go eat something. Nice taco. Great way to be, mate. I mean, literally for the last hour it's been dog shit, so great decision there, mate, to sit on your hands and wait. Besant, Fed should be cutting rates now. I'm sure it's a coordinated fucking... coordinated fucking attack, innit? It's affecting housing. This is going to be me stopped out, I think. Rate should be 3 points lower, maybe more. You gotta have some in the ear thing when people saying to him, what's the market doing? He keeps talking. Yeah, I know, man. It's literally like he's alright, I need to say something to get it to do this. And he'll just keep spewing shit until it does what he wants it to do. He's trying to make the market pump, that's it, man. I'm still holding out hope this is one last retest of the point of control and we'll get a big dump. But like I said, it's the kind of news that you don't really know how the market's going to take it. In one breath, you're saying, yes, rates should be lower. Great. But in the next breath, he's saying about the way to do it is to sack the chair of the Fed, do you know what I mean? Which is could be conceived as bearish news, do you know what I mean? At least initially. That's why I'm not sort of jumping to get out. I'm happy just to fucking ride the fucking roller coaster and see what happens. Ooh, 143 contracts sold. Maybe I know where he says he's putting 500% tariffs on Mars or something. Please, Trump, please. Nah, he's talking about magnets in China in a minute, so. Friend news income is devious yet. Maybe that was the whole point. It was a little fake pump up. Get along with China very well, apparently. It's like a snake just waiting, yeah, man. I just texted Mrs. and said I'm in a trade. Hopefully I'll be done at some point tonight. And she's come back saying that would be nice. My maternity leave will be over in a minute. She's then just started today. Nasdaq slowly grinding up. Superman's red dick incoming. I like that analogy. I hope you're right, Leo. I hope you're right, because I'm getting impatient. So slow, I know it's building liquidity for something. Maybe some Hulk big boner. Nah, we need Superman's big red dick. I'd even take Superman's little red dick and then Hulk's big green boner. That's what she said. Oh, I can't believe I didn't get there first. Okay, probably need to go now, man. Have you not gone? You are late. Good luck. Cheers, K, man. Good luck with whatever you're doing. Have fun, have fun. Probably have more fun than what I'm doing. Yes, I'll post it in Discord anyway. Enjoy your day though, man. Honestly, I'm absolutely knackered today. This is not the time to be, not the day to be in a long trade. Trump's gone quiet, so maybe it's over. Or he's not saying of anything of interest. What's your Discord? There should be a link in the description of this video, mate. It's been a bit quiet though recently. Yeah, we could use some fresh faces in there, man, if you're up for it. Yeah, I've got a tab in there that I post, or I try and remember to anyway, post my the trades that I take. Obviously, I post them after the fact. I don't. It's not like a signals thing or anything. I wouldn't trust my signals. Joy, nice food, man. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, it's normally a bit more active than it has been, but it's been a bit quiet the last few weeks. Yeah, nice bunch of geezers in there. Lewis got on said peace. Yeah, Lewis is on holiday and he's normally the chatty one, so he's the one that holds us all together. When's he back? Does anyone know? He said it was going to be a few weeks, didn't he? And I've got a feeling this has got to be his third week, I think. Maybe. So it can't be long. I'm sort of holding. I was saying about doing the Paper Trade Cup again, wouldn't I? I'm sort of holding out, waiting for him to come back, because I think he'll be absolutely livid if I did it without him. So. He said 3 weeks. I think this is week 2, is it? Oh, Jesus. Honestly, if this ends up hitting take profit, I'm going to be more happy with the fact that it's over than the actual money. It's going straight to take profit now. Trust me, I hope you're right, mate. I hope you're right. Just started a new hour. What are the hour close like? Indecisive candle on the hour. And yeah, take profit would be a sweep of the hourly low. It lets me zoom in. The reason I think why I'm finding this so frustrating because I didn't get the best entry. It's an alright entry, but not the best entry. I just feel like there's a very good chance that I could be just stopped out before it then runs to take profit. So I feel like the trade is definitely valid. And that'd just be irritating. Sitting here for an hour and a half to just be stopped out. So then for it to go my way anyway. Come on. Keep it going. Oh, fuck me. Trump is now opened his mouth again because the market's gone down slightly. We're thinking about no tax on capital gains and houses. Fucking killing me, man. That's bad though, is it though? I don't fucking know what's going on anymore, mate. I'm honestly losing the will to live. I don't know what's up, what's down, what's good, what's bad. My emotions are shot. Why is it bad? Explain it to me like I'm 5. The trouble is what I find with market and news. Literally either side, there's always a story or a case for either side, like bullish or bearish. So hard to interpret. NQ's at the low of the 1 hour, did it? Oh man. Less money circulating on the economy. But is it more taxes if they're thinking about scrapping the taxes? What do you mean more taxes? The market just doesn't forget what Trump says. Yeah, I think you're right. Outrageous, yeah. So my thought process is if there's no capital gains and no taxes on houses, then it's basically like fucking free money on assets, isn't it? Meaning loads of money pours into assets. Just read it right, okay. Yeah, no taxes on capital gains or houses. Which, I would assume means happy days, fucking more money from the assets that we hold. Let's fucking put more money into them. But then that's not a sustainable thing. Like, there's no way considering they're already like running a deficit, they can have no taxes on capital gains and no taxes on houses and be any better off. They're going to be worse off, which then means if the government's worse off, the economy's then a bit more shaky in it. But no, he's really trying to bump the market today. Yeah, man, literally as soon as it started coming down, he starts opening his mouth. He hasn't said anything for 20 minutes. It just blows my mind that he gets away with it though. Like, no other country on earth, or president or prime minister or whatever you've got, literally tweets their every thought. Do you know what I mean? It's fucking insane. Because that would literally be all it would be. It would be literally, he would have said to his main guy, oh, we should do this. And his main guy would be like, okay, yeah, let's think about it. And then he just tweets it like it's fucking gospel. It'd be like Putin before invading Ukraine. Oh, we're thinking about invading Ukraine. Why? Make a decision and then do it. Don't fucking sit there and talk your thoughts out loud. Should end every tweet of him with, and he spoke the truth. Turn the shit into a cult already, yeah. Mate, we're in the lunch hour. This is not acceptable. I think I'm generally gonna have to leave it here for today and go and get on with my life. Leave the trade open. And yeah, go and live my life, because otherwise I could be here till I retire, so. I really wanted to see it out for you guys, and so we can get a bit of resolution to the day, but this is fucking insanity. I mean, what usually happens anyway is as soon as I end the stream, market starts moving, so maybe it'll be good for everyone. Oh, one big candle to take profit on Iron Man. But a low on Nasdaq. Is that just a sweep before the push up though? I mean, it's not exactly looking strong, is it? Oh, we've got some sell orders coming in. Big wall of red. Is it going to be sustained? Trump on the Philippines. So far we're not there. We'll probably agree to something. Send your message on Discord. Alright, Hugh, mate, I'll check out in a second. I'm about to call it a day on this, I think. So I'll have a quick read in a sec. Well, I'm calling it a day. I can't do it. Honestly, I'm fucking losing the plot. Cheers for wasting 3 hours of your life with me this evening, this afternoon, this morning, whatever day it is, time of day it is. Oh, Trump's corrected himself. Trump referring to capital gains on houses. We're thinking about no tax on capital gains on houses, not no capital gains. That's got to be bearish. Market suddenly thinks, oh, no fucking capital gains on profits from stock market assets. And then they say, oh, no, we didn't mean that. We just meant no capital gains on houses. Come on. Turn off, please. Just the agony faster now, yeah, man. I've made you stay on stream longer today since none tomorrow. Yeah, that's true. I just can't bear the back and forth. It's annoying because I know as soon as I press end stream, it will go pretty hard in one direction. So that's always how it goes. I can't even speak second straight in a minute. Right. Cheers for stopping by, guys. Appreciate you all being here for this long. Hopefully the market does something at some point and someone can make some money out of it. But I shall probably not see you tomorrow, but I shall see you on Thursday. And I'll update you in Discord on how this went. I mean, you'll be able to see. I'm not going to touch the take profit or stop loss. So you'll be able to see what happens. But I'll update you in Discord anyway. Yes, I'll see you all Thursday, guys. Have a good one. See you later.